Step 1. Remove headset. Step 2. Link up oxygen tube to oxygen storage on the mask. Step 3. Link up oxygen storage and mask tube. This is the inhale passage. It is blue. This is the exhale passage. Step 4. Link up tube with mask. This is a spare gauge. Internal gauge is vulnerable to shock and vibration. In case of malfunction, we need to replace it. Gently twist old one off. Gently twist new one on. Softly and slightly. In case you are using a chamber 1.5 ATA or above, after 1,000 hours of usage, switch to a lower pressure regulator. Twist old regulator off and a new one on. New regulator will lower your chamber pressure.